discover the top 12. Genius wood tools for clever woodworking. A smart collection designed to boost accuracy, save time, and simplify complex tasks. From innovative measuring tools to clever clamping and cutting solutions, these woodworking essentials help you work faster and cleaner. Perfect for DIYers and professionals who want better results with less effort in every project. Woodpeckers CornerLock. The Woodpeckers CornerLock is a precision, spring-loaded clamping tool that keeps two workpieces perfectly square during assembly. Its dual spring system includes standard duty springs for heavier stock and light duty springs for delicate projects. A self-adjusting steel square jaw automatically compensates for thickness variations up to 1/4 inch. Built from steel and aircraft grade aluminum, it handles stock from 1/2 inch to 7/8 inch or down to 1/4 inch with optional pins, making fastening, shelving and alignment faster and more accurate. Levoite Precision Miter Gauge. The Levoite Precision Miter Gauge is built for woodworkers who demand accuracy and repeatability. It offers a wide angle adjustment range with precision machined positive stops at common angles for fast, reliable setups. The extendable all-aluminum fence provides excellent support for long workpieces, while laser-etched scales and optional magnifier improve readability. A snug-fitting adjustable miter bar ensures smooth, play-free movement in standard slots, making it ideal for table saws, router tables, and precision joinery tasks. Rikon 11-600 LAN, variable speed 10 inches. The Rikon 11600S, variable speed 10-inch portable table saw, is a versatile, job site ready machine built for precision and power. Its 2 horsepower, 15 amp motor delivers adjustable blade speeds from 2000 to 4200 RPM, making it ideal for cutting wood, plastics, and non-ferrous metals. With a 28-inch rip capacity, 3 1/8 inch max cut depth, and support for dado stacks up to 13/16 inch, it handles demanding tasks easily. A foldable stand, onboard storage, safety features, and included accessories enhance portability, convenience, and overall value. Squijig Fusion 7.5-inch Rafter Square. The Squijig Fusion 7.5-inch Rafter Square is a precision CNC machined, multifunctional layout tool built for serious carpenters. It features an ultra-visible 360-degree integrated level for instant plumb and level checks, plus patented built-in 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch blade wrenches for quick circular saw blade changes. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight yet job site tough. Laser-etched markings, scribe notches, and an optimized heel deliver fast, accurate layout and cutting guidance. MPOWER'S 8-inch SBS. The MPOWER'S 8-inch side-by-side SBS. Triple Diamond Sharpening Stone Set is a complete professional-grade sharpening station built for speed, accuracy, and consistency. 3 monocrystalline diamond plates, 300 number, 600 number, and 1200 number, are mounted on a precision, CNC machined aluminum base, allowing seamless progression from reshaping to polishing without resetting stones. Magnetic leather strops, polishing waxes, and synthetic lapping fluid enable immediate honing. The innovative recess design reduces clogging, while replaceable diamond plates ensure long-term value and reliability. Levoite Compact Router Base. The Levoite Compact Router Base upgrades trim routers with exceptional stability, control, and precision. Its wide, CNC machined aluminum base and ergonomic solid handles let you apply steady inboard pressure for smoother edge routing and cleaner results. The enlarged platform greatly improves balance for freehand work, templates, dados, grooves, mortises, and inlay tasks. An anodized, wear-resistant finish ensures durability, while the clear design maintains visibility. Compatible with popular compact routers like Makita models, it also supports dust extraction and precise slotting with optional guides. GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps. The GreatNeck Precision Bar Clamps are reliable, easy-to-use clamps built for accurate woodworking and light construction tasks. They deliver up to 300 pounds of clamping force and use an innovative twist locking mechanism that allows smooth one-handed operation. Rubber padded jaws protect delicate surfaces, while the consistent 3.3-inch throat depth works well in tight spaces. Compact yet strong, these clamps feature comfortable ergonomic handles, durable construction, and a limited lifetime warranty. Available in 6 inches, 12 inches, and 18 inches sizes for versatile project needs. Jessem Dowelling Jig Master Kit. The Jessem Dowelling Jig Master Kit is a premium, all-in-one solution for creating strong, perfectly aligned dowel joints with professional accuracy. Built from CNC machined 6000 series aluminum with an anodized finish, it delivers long-lasting durability and precision. Hardened steel bushings ensure clean, accurate drilling for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch dowels. The jig supports end, edge, and face. Drilling on boards from 1/2 inch to over 3 inches thick, with precise indexing, laser engraved markings, and alignment features for repeatable results. SawStop Compact Table Saw. The SawStop Compact Table Saw, CTS, delivers professional grade safety and accuracy in a portable job site ready design. Its patented active injury mitigation system stops the blade in under 5 milliseconds upon skin contact, dramatically reducing injury risk. Weighing just 68 pounds, it's easy to transport yet built with a rigid frame for stability. A full-size 10-inch blade, rack and pinion fence, micro-adjust bevel system, and powerful 15-amp motor ensure precise, clean cuts for small workshops and on-the-go projects. Jessem Clearcut TS Stock Guides. The Jessem Clearcut TS Stock Guides enhance table saw safety and precision with angled rollers that apply downward and inward pressure, keeping stock firmly against the fence and table. Dual action rollers steer material while spring pressure holds it down, eliminating separate featherboards. One-way bearings prevent kickback, ensuring safer operation. Easy height and position adjustments along the 30-inch T-track deliver consistent clean rip cuts. CNC machined aluminum construction, durable urethane tired rollers, and steel axles provide long-lasting performance. Compatible with most commercial fences and accessory kits for Incra or Delta Unisaw. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear 1/2 inch. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear 1/2 inch tools combine innovation, precision, and durability for woodworkers. Featuring nanograin carbide inserts, they stay razor sharp without sharpening. Made in Strongsville, Ohio, with factory direct pricing, the tools include 1/2 inch mid-size turning tools and rotor bits. chromoly steel shafts with patented geometry allow ultra-smooth shear scraping, while replaceable cutters extend tool life. Comfortable rock maple handles, carbide-tipped router bits, and versatile designs ensure precise, clean cuts across shaping, trimming, and pattern work. These high-quality tools reduce sanding and enhance efficiency. MPOWER Diamond Stone Holders. The MPOWER Diamond Stone Holders provide a stable, elevated platform for sharpening knives and tools. Featuring strong rare earth magnets, they instantly lock steel-based diamond stones in place, while the durable, non-slip nitrile rubber ensures stability on any work surface. Resistant to oils and sharpening fluids, these holders maintain performance over time. Their interlocking design accommodates multiple stones, from small credit card sized to large 8-inch bench stones, and offers universal compatibility. Compact and lightweight, they allow zero setup sharpening, making stone changes fast, efficient, and convenient for any workspace.